Hey buddy, come here and let me teach you how to use the most powerful and latest AI image production tool with very high accuracy and quality. As usual, before we start the video, don't forget to support us with a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell so you get all the new updates. The whole story started with Stable Division due to its policies, and the approach it followed, it rejected a large number of workers. The core team that originally formed the company gathered themselves again and created an independent company named Black Forest Labs. They have produced the largest AI drawing model called Flux, and that's what we're here to talk about today. The model is not only very powerful and can understand the text you write with high accuracy, but its results have also amazed people and surpassed Dell, Siri, or even Bing. Additionally, it maintains artistic style and high quality in generating AI-produced images.
Through the link that I will leave for you below the video in the description, it will take you to the blog post related to our topic today. As you heard in the video introduction and the story of this tool and how it originated, this tool will surpass any AI tool. All you need to do is focus on the explanation and scroll to the end of the blog post where you will find a direct link, and instead of one link there are two, so you can use this tool easily and for free 100%. The first link is a direct link that will guide you to use the tool without logging in. All you need to do is click on the link and it will direct you immediately. This is the first version of the tool, the Pro version. All you need to do is write here the description you want to create the image with, and of course the tool will produce an image that even a professional store can't replicate. Scroll down and it will give you an example of the images it can create. For instance, here's the first one. Click on it and it will create an image of an astronaut coming out of an egg on the moon's surface. As you can see, the image quality, details and production accuracy are unmatched. A very important piece of information: if you intend to continue using this site, it might tell you after a period of use that you have reached the maximum limit. Don't worry at all. All you need to do is log into the website and it will give you a new free period. If the free period ends, all you need to do is create a new account, and of course it will give you a new free period. Logging in or creating an account is very easy on this website. Just follow the steps and voila, you'll have a new account.